Okay, so we've got here an Olympic swimming pool with length, width, and depth of 164 by 84 and by 6 feet. So they're all the same units. Perfect. Calculate the volume. So if you don't remember how to calculate the volume, this is basically a rectangular prism. Then you need to go back to our website and go to the formula page and go to the measurement section. And you're going to want to go to the 3D plane section. So you're going to keep going and you're going to look for rectangular prism. So there's rectangular prism. And over here it says length, width times height. So height and depth are the same thing. So we can write volume equals length times width times height. And then just put in the numbers. So 164 multiplied with 84 multiplied with 6. So just work that out. 164 times 84 times 6, and you get 82,656 cubic feet. Okay, for question 23, it's asking you to convert that to cubic yards. So if you don't remember how to convert it, which I wouldn't, I'm going to go back to our formula package and go to the weights and measures conversion chart. And you're going to go to the volume part, and you're going to look right here where it says cubic feet to cubic yards. So I'm using the number 27, and you're going to the left. So you're going to divide by 27. So 82,656 divided by 27, and that equals 3,061.33 cubic yards. All right, so now we're looking at question 24. Now, 24, you're going to get questions like this down the road as well. So I'm going to show you the easiest way. People mess this one up. So if you do it this way, you shouldn't have a problem. There are other ways to do it. It's up to you how you want to do it. So 24, I'm going to set it up. So it says 1 cubic foot of water is 6.25 gallons. Calculate the volume of water in the pool. So it's 1 colon 6.25. So the first spot is cubic feet. The second spot is gallons. So I'm doing what I've been doing at the beginning of like 1.1, 1.2. And so I have an answer in cubic feet is right here. So that's what I'm going to use. That's the first spot, 82,656. That's my cubic feet, and I don't know how many gallons that is. So set up your ratio, first with first, second with second. So I'll set up my fractions. So I'll have 1 over 82,656 equals 6.25 multiply over x. So you're just going to multiply those two together. So 82,656 times 6.25 equals, so 51,516. So 516,600 is what I got. So that's gallons. All right, so now we're ready to do the next question, 25. So it says 1 gallon is 3.78 liters. How many liters of water in the pool? So this is exactly the same way, except working with liters. So 25, I'm going to set it up the same way. 1 colon 3.78. This is gallons now. This is liters equals. So I have an answer for gallons right above. And I'm looking for liters. So this is the gallon section. This is the liters. So again, set it up. Make your fractions. So we've got 1 over 516, 600 equals 3.78 over x. Cross multiply. X equals 1,952,748. So you got 1,952,748, and that's liters. Okay, for 26, same idea. So it's 1 gallon is 1 bag of milk. So we'll set that up. So we've got 1 to 1. So that makes it easy. So gallon to a bag of milk equals, so I have gallon, that's further up from what you're, so if we go back up, our gallon was 516,600. So I'm going to use that again. So that has to go in the first spot. So I've got 516,600 colon X. Remember, so the first spot was gallons, second spot was bags of milk. Okay, so I'm just going to set up my ratios or my fractions. So first one with first one, so 1 over 516,600 equals 1 over x. Cross multiply, they're 1, so that makes it easy. So x would equal 516,600. And what is that? Make sure you include that in your answer. It's bags of milk. And you're all done.